Close the door and take the key. We will be back after a few days. This is what many Palestinian families said when they were forcibly expelled by the Zionists from their homeland in 1948 in what became known as Nakba. Many Palestinians still hold onto their keys till this day, hoping and believing that one day they will return to their homeland. The key of return became a symbol and has been passed on from generation to generation as a keepsake and a reminder of physical and emotional loss and injustice. The key of return is linked to Nakba. When around 750,000 Palestinians were made refugees in 1948, when Zionists took more than 78% of the land of Palestine, ethnically cleansed and destroyed about 530 villages and cities, and killed around 15,000 Palestinians. For Palestinians, the key of return is considered a rightful claim to the stolen properties and indisputable proof confirming ownership rights. We will be back in just a few days. The few days became weeks. Weeks became months. Months turned into years. 75 years to be exact. But the hope of return to the homeland will never be abandoned.